Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is from Google. Google Workspace is introducing add-ons for Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. These add-ons will let a user make use of third-party application within Google Workspace itself without having to switch from one app to another. Add-ons are already available for Calendar, Gmail and Google Drive. Translate will also be available as an add-on widget in Google Workspace. The add-on on Google Docs, Sheets and Slides will be available for users with any accounts. Next news that we have is from Acer. Acer Halo smart speaker, laptops, Chromebook all-in-ones, Predator and Nitro gaming monitors are now officially launched. The new laptop models include Acer Swift 3X, Porsche Design, Acer Book RS, Acer Chromebook Spin 513 and Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 513. The all-in-ones include Acer Chromebook CX14 and Acer Chromebook Enterprise CX14. The gaming monitors include 4 Predators model and 2 Nitro models. Now let's talk about the prices. So Acer Halo smart speaker is priced at $109. Acer laptop range starts from $399 to $899. The Porsche Design Acer Book RS is priced at $1399 and the all-in-one start from $259 and ends at $409. The last but not the least, gaming monitors are starting from $279 and last at $999 as high-end model. At number 3, we have news from Gionee. Gionee F8 Neo is now officially launched in India as a budget-oriented smartphone. The phone is powered with Unisoc SC9863 processor paired with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. The phone features 8MP rear sensor and a 5MP front sensor. The phone is packed with a 3000mAh battery. The Gionee F8 Neo is priced at 5499 rupees in India and is available in black, blue and red color options. Well, it is a good choice if you want to buy a smartphone for your parents to use basic features only, like calling and texting. Listing further, we have news from Honor. Honor 10X Lite specifications are leaked online ahead of the launch. The phone will be powered with Kirin 710A processor, an LCD display, highlighted a 48MP main sensor at the rear and 4GB 128GB storage option. The phone will be packed with a 5000mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support and will be running on Honor Magic UI 3.1 based on Android 10 out of the box. The phone will debut in Russian markets on October 23 with pre-orders starting from November 6 and sale from November 13. Let's see when Honor 10X Lite arrive and at what price. Moving forward, the next update that we have is about Twitter. Indian government in a stern letter to the Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has conveyed its strong disapproval over Twitter's misrepresentation of Indian map for displaying a part of Leh, the largest union territory of Ladakh, as a part of China. The government has issued a warning to the Twitter saying that any attempt by microblogging platform to disrespect the country's sovereignty and integrity is totally unacceptable. Well, it is totally unacceptable as few days ago Xiaomi's official weather app was not showing weather of some parts of Arunachal Pradesh, including the capital Itanagar. Write down your views in the comment section about this. Next news that we have is about Apple. Apple is the top brand of 2020 according to the Interbrand Best Global Brands 2020 list. The personal tech behemoth has retained the first spot with impressive growth of 38% is supposed brand value, a fraction of company's actual market valuation about $2 trillion. More impressive, however, has been the rise of Amazon that has grown 60% in brand value to close at number 2 with $200 billion. Apple also topped in the most innovative companies of the world in 2020. So the last update that we have is about Apple AirTags. Apple AirTags are tipped to launch very soon in 2 different sizes. AirTags are essential trackers that will help in finding lost objects. Ming Chi Kuo predicted that Apple will produce millions of them. The AirTags are expected to be completely waterproof and support magnetic charging. We expect that Apple will launch AirTags along with the new MacBook Silicon lineup in November. Let's see when Apple officially announces the AirTags and with what functionality and also at what price. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the latest video. Also, join us on social media platform. The Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section which motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.